Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to list a domain on GoDaddy Auctions. If you have a domain to sell, listing it on GoDaddy Auctions helps you reach buyers quickly. First, open your browser. Once the browser is open, go to GoDaddy.com. When you get to the page, log into your account or create a new one if needed. After logging in, go to your domain. Click there. This takes you to your main page. When you see your domain, just click this one. Now let's go to the menu by the logo. Click that and go to My Products. When you are in your products, click Manage All. Now, in your domain portfolio, you can list your products by clicking the three buttons. Here, you will see options like List, First Name, or For Sale. You can also add an estimated value. When you finish, it will show the main list options, and you are done. This is how we list a domain on GoDaddy Auctions. Once your listing is live, buyers can place bids or buy your domain,